guys, welcome back to another video from JBL Tech and more. In this video, we will be setting up wireless Apple AirPods. So let's start. So first of all, you need the wired Apple earphones. Then you need a Bluetooth audio receiver module. It has an aux input from here for the sound and USB on this side. And last but not least, you need a power bank. Let's start. Now start off by plugging in the 3.5mm headphone pin into the back of the audio receiver. Like this. Now the next step is plug in the USB into the power bank so that it's supplied with power. Now connect this device to your smartphone. As you can see, it's connected now. Now, I'll play a song. I'll bring the earphones close to the microphone. Okay, so just tidying things up.